It is a hot summer's day and I need something refreshing like a blackened chicken Caesar wrap. Y'all, I have been obsessed with these things since I have a baby coming. If you didn't know, I am pregnant and this is my favorite lunch item. So I'm gonna show you how to make it. It only takes about 10 minutes from beginning to end. Let's go. Today I'm using already pre-chopped chicken because that just saves me some time, a little bit of avocado oil on it, and the blackening seasoning. This is a pre-diced chicken. This is chicken breast. You can certainly use whatever your heart desires. If you want to use chicken thighs or if you want to use drummies, you can do that and just cut the meat off of them. My mom loves to do that, so you could also do that option. But just make sure your chicken is coated really well. I kind of add as I go, just simply because I don't want to over, salt it with so much blackening seasoning. And of course, I don't want to have, not enough. So this looks to be pretty good to me. Now, behind me here, I have my griddle on medium low. So I'm just going to add just a little dab more of my oil here. And then from there, let's toss on the chicken. So with the chicken here on the griddle, it's probably gonna take about 8 minutes. And then once the chicken's done, we're gonna take it off and we're gonna start building our wrap. Y'all, it is that simple, that quick. And that's why I love it. Especially, you wanna talk about poolside lunch? This is the way to go. All right, chicken is all done. So we're just gonna pick it up and bring it on over here to our chop block. Now, with the chicken, I like to kind of cut them up a little smaller. I just don't like to have a huge piece of chicken when I take a bite out of my wrap. I kind of like them a little bit smaller. So what we're gonna do is we're going to let this rest for just a minute and we're gonna work on prepping our romaine lettuce, basically the Caesar salad. So in a bowl here, I've just already pre-washed and pre-chopped romaine. I used 1 head of romaine lettuce. Now I'm going to add about 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese. And I've already cooked my bacon. It's already pre-made in the bag. Gotta love this. Probably about another 1/4 cup of bacon. Now this is just an additive. You totally can ex-nay this out of your recipe. And then we've got to add croutons. I like to use Italian blend, but if you have whatever kind in your pantry, just use those as well. Also, this is just a little option, so if you're gluten-free, you don't have to use those. All right, now let's get back to our chicken real quick. We're gonna just chop them up really fine. Just quick little dice here, nothing to it. And then once I add this chicken in there, I'm gonna add my dressing. Now with this dressing, of course you want to use a Caesar salad dressing. You can make your own, you can buy store-bought. Today I am using store-bought. Also for me, I like to have a little bit of extra on the side to dip my wrap in because I am a sauce freak. So, all right, these look really, really good. We're going to quickly add this into our bowl here and then add our dressing, toss, and we are ready to roll in this wrap. So good. So if you didn't want to do chicken, of course you could do shrimp, you could do steak, whatever protein really that you love, because essentially it's a chicken Caesar salad. Or it's a Caesar salad, but you could add whatever you want to it. Just gonna take some little clampies here, make sure that it's all mixed up nice and good. Okay, I think that looks really, really good. So we're gonna start building our wrap. So I'm going to take clean this off here. Going to take my tortilla. Now I've went ahead and bought a burrito size tortilla. Now for me, just the bigger the tortilla, the easier for me to work with. But if you have other sizes you use, or maybe the gluten-free options are a little bit smaller, totally okay. Work with what you have. Now I like to kind of place it not quite in the middle, but a little more towards me as I'm building. That way it doesn't fall out as easily. Be sure to not overfill because obviously that can be a problem. Little trick here, I just take my little knife, I push it towards me, and then how you fold is fold sides in, and then we're gonna roll over. So here we go. Rolling in, grabbing everything here, and just keep rolling. Just keep on rolling. Kind of tuck and roll here. All right, I think that looks just about good. We're gonna actually make a couple more of these. The great thing about these is you can make it for just yourself or a bunch of people. Now, just a reminder, this is kind of one of those things is practice makes perfect. So Throughout my time of making these, I've gotten to be an expert, but again, it's fun to make, just don't overfill it. That is key. And once you're done, then we're going to cut it. This looks incredible. Oh my goodness. Like I said, this has been my craving this whole entire pregnancy, and I can't wait to get me some more. Here we go. Y'all. That's a big bite. I could taste the bacon. The Caesar dressing is so good. The cheese, that blackening season on the chicken. Amazing. I gotta tell you though, the more chicken you put in there, the better. It really is. This is an ultimate go-to for any weeknight meal, of course, but you can also prep these for your lunchtime the next day. Trust me, just wrap it up in some tinfoil and you will be ready to go. Remember, you always want to keep it quick, you always want to keep it simple, and most importantly, you have to keep it delicious. My name is Taylor Mock, and we will see you on the next episode. Cheers.